Alright guys, today we're going to review a new sheet mask. I found this from Target. It's called Citrine sheet mask. I don't know if you guys know what Citrine is. It's actually a crystal. It's actually good for money, believe it or not. But it says happy mind and nourish skin, made with citrine stone extract. That's what it looks like. And on the back it says a new generation Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, and color therapy to achieve multi-sensory results. Wow, pretty amazing. So I never really seen a sheet mask with gemstone therapy. That should be interesting. So this is $3.99 at Target, guys. So let's check it out. You leave it on for 20 minutes. Very wet. Wow. I actually like them but like this. It looks very thin too. I like them wet and thin. I feel like if it's wet and thin, yeah, it's very thin. This is definitely a Korean mask. It's one of my favorite. What's my favorite? You know, I like it when it's like a lot of wetness to a fake mask. But this is what the color. What this color looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I think it's gonna be a good one. If I like it, I'm gonna buy more. I found this at Target. Alright, I just checked in the mirror to make sure I put everything on. It looks correct. Believe it or not, guys, I never had a sheet mask where it actually fits really good. It's not falling apart. It's very smooth. There's no really holes. I don't know. It looks like it's a really good face mask. Alright, guys, so we have about 20 minutes. I'll come back in 20 minutes and I'll give you my thoughts on this face mask. Hi guys, it's been a few minutes. I just want to update you on what I'm feeling with the mask. I just feel a lot of cooling sensation. It just feels really good. That's all. Alright, I had it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. I definitely feel a lot of tingling and cooling sensation. Let's take it off. Wow, it feels really good. Wow. It's also very relaxing too. Now they say to just like go like this and get the excess, you know, stuff up here. So it doesn't do that. And just rub it in. Alright guys, I definitely like this product. I just loved how it sticks to my face really well, and sometimes, you know, they're not very thin, or these fall apart, or these never stay on. This one really stayed on. I really like this one a lot. I liked how it was very thin, had a lot of liquid in it. I would recommend it. So pretty soon I'll be doing a video making a new recipe called Korean beef bowl, I think it's called. It's like rice with beef and broccoli on the side, and I'll be putting some makeup on, and I can really tell with my makeup as well how my face really looks. So if my face looks really good with that video, you know why. But yeah, I recommend this face mask, especially it has that citrine crystal in there. It's really good. You know, if you want more money. It'd be funny if I got more money after like within a week or so. It'd be pretty funny. So my face feels really, it feels like it's lighter, moisturized, all the excess junk out. I don't know. I like my face. It just feels like it took a lot of stuff out, and it's very moisturizing. But it's funny how it says happy mind and nourish skin, because I just feel really relaxed with this mask. It's kind of weird. Other masks I don't feel like as relaxed. I know that's kind of weird, but I don't know. I like it. I like it a lot, guys. So check it out. I got this at Target. I think it's more expensive if you go on. If you Google this mask, I think on the bottom that's where it is. That's the name of the company. I think it's like $7 around $7 or $8. It was only $3.99 at Target. Check it out.